Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the product element. The product element is the gateway to showcasing your products in the most appealing way possible. It's all about turning your site visitors into delighted customers. Let me drag a product element into the page and select the product to show right here. By default, the product element has some other mini elements inside: a product image, product title, product price, and product card button. I can find some other mini elements from the sidebar. Let's say I want to insert a product variant element right here. Let's walk through the options the product element has to offer. First, we have product option. You can change the product to show here. We can also change the product from any mini elements inside. I can click on the product title and also can change the product here. Next, we can adjust padding for the product element and margin like this. Now, let me design a simple product section using the product element. I will first remove all the default mini elements inside. Then I will insert a row element inside the product to structure the content. On the left column, I want to insert a product image element. And on the right, I want to insert a product title, product price, product variant, and product card button element. I also want to insert a product image list right here. And it looks like this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.